Welcome to our video on rhinoceros behavior, where we delve into the intriguing world of these magnificent creatures. By exploring their behavior, we gain valuable insights into their lives and the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect them. Rhinoceroses are not only fascinating due to their immense size and iconic horns, but also because of their diverse behavior patterns. With different species exhibiting distinct social structures, feeding habits, and communication methods, understanding their behavior becomes crucial for comprehending their ecological role and ensuring their survival. However, as we delve into the world of rhinoceros behavior, we must confront the harsh reality of their endangered status. Many rhinoceros species face the looming threat of extinction due to factors such as habitat loss, poaching, and illegal wildlife trade. Understanding their behavior becomes vital in formulating effective conservation strategies to protect these iconic creatures for generations to come. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of rhinoceros behavior, shedding light on their social structures, feeding habits, communication methods, and defensive strategies. Through this exploration, we hope to foster a deeper appreciation for these majestic animals and inspire action to preserve their natural habitats and ensure their continued existence on our planet. Rhinoceroses are renowned for their imposing size and remarkable physical power. These majestic creatures are among the largest land mammals, with adult rhinoceroses weighing anywhere from 1 to 3.5 tons, depending on the species. Standing at an average height of 5 to 6 feet at the shoulder and measuring up to 12 to 13 feet in length, their sheer size commands attention and respect. The massive size of rhinoceroses plays a vital role in their survival. It serves as a natural deterrent to potential predators, making them formidable adversaries. Few predators dare to challenge these colossal creatures due to their impressive bulk and robust build. The thick, tough skin of rhinoceroses provides an additional layer of protection against attacks, shielding them from the claws and teeth of their adversaries. Beyond their size, rhinoceroses possess fascinating physical abilities. Despite their substantial mass, they are capable of remarkable agility and speed. Surprisingly, these bulky animals can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour when charging, which allows them to swiftly evade danger or engage in territorial disputes. Their powerful muscles and sturdy limbs enable them to traverse various terrains with relative ease, including dense vegetation in challenging landscapes. Another intriguing feature of rhinoceroses is their exceptional hearing and acute sense of smell. Their large, horned noses are not just iconic, they also serve as powerful olfactory receptors, allowing them to detect scents from considerable distances. This heightened sense of smell assists in locating food sources, identifying potential threats, and even communicating with other rhinoceroses. Rhinoceroses inhabit diverse habitats across the globe, each species adapted to specific environments. These majestic creatures can be found in a range of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, forests, and swamps. While their distribution was once more widespread, today, rhinoceros populations are limited to specific regions due to habitat loss and human encroachment. Different rhinoceros species have distinct habitat preferences. For example, the white rhinoceros is primarily found in grassland areas, where it can graze on abundant vegetation. Black rhinoceroses, on the other hand, are more adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including both arid and forested regions. The Indian rhinoceros is commonly found in the dense grasslands and forests of the Indian subcontinent. The distribution of rhinoceroses is heavily influenced by geographical factors and historical range. Historically, rhinoceros populations were more widespread, inhabiting regions of Africa, Asia, and even Europe. However, due to human activities and habitat destruction, their range has significantly diminished. Today, rhinoceroses are mainly concentrated in protected areas and national parks, where conservation efforts are focused on preserving their habitats and ensuring their survival. Conserving the habitat of rhinoceroses is crucial for their long-term survival. Preservation and restoration of their natural habitats not only provide them with essential resources such as food and water but also promote ecosystem balance and biodiversity. By protecting their habitats, we safeguard the delicate web of life that supports not only rhinoceroses but numerous other plant and animal species as well. Rhinoceroses have a herbivorous diet, meaning they primarily consume plant matter. Their impressive size is sustained by a varied and substantial intake of vegetation. Rhinoceroses have a broad appetite, feeding on a wide range of plant species including grasses, leaves, shoots, fruits, and even tree bark. This diverse diet allows them to adapt to different habitats and find sustenance throughout the year. When it comes to feeding habits, rhinoceroses exhibit both diurnal and nocturnal behaviors, depending on the species and environmental conditions. They often graze during the cooler hours of the day or at night to avoid the scorching heat. Their feeding patterns vary, with some species being more active feeders throughout the day, while others may have shorter feeding bouts interspersed with rest periods. One remarkable characteristic of rhinoceroses is their selective feeding behavior. They have the ability to choose specific plants and parts of vegetation that provide optimal nutrition. This selective feeding allows them to maximize their energy intake and meet their dietary requirements effectively. Different rhinoceros species also employ various foraging techniques. For example, the white rhinoceros, with its wide mouth and specialized lips, is adapted for grazing on grasses, while the black rhinoceros uses its prehensile upper lip to pluck leaves and twigs from trees and bushes. The feeding habits of rhinoceroses play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance. As selective feeders, they can control vegetation growth and prevent the dominance of certain plant species. By consuming a variety of plants, rhinoceroses contribute to the dispersion of seeds through their dung, aiding in the regrowth and regeneration of vegetation. Their feeding behavior supports the diversity of plant life, which in turn sustains other herbivores and influences the overall ecosystem dynamics. Certain rhinoceros species exhibit a solitary nature, preferring to roam their territories alone. This solitary behavior is particularly prominent in adult male rhinoceroses. They establish and defend their territories, marking their presence with scent markings and physical displays. The preference for a solitary lifestyle is driven by several factors, including the need for individual space, competition for resources such as food and mates, and avoidance of conflicts with other rhinoceroses. Examples of solitary rhinoceros species include the Indian rhinoceros and the Javan rhinoceros, both known for their independent and territorial behavior. While some rhinoceros species are solitary, others exhibit a more social behavior and form groups. The white rhinoceros, for instance, is known to form small groups called crashes, typically consisting of a dominant male, females, and their offspring. Within these groups, a hierarchy is established, with the dominant male defending the territory and maintaining order. Communication and social interactions play a vital role in group dynamics, with rhinoceroses using vocalizations, body language, and scent markings to communicate their intentions, establish dominance, and maintain social bonds. Rhinoceros mothers display remarkable maternal instincts and care for their offspring. After a gestation period of around 15 to 16 months, the mother gives birth to a single calf. The bond between mother and offspring is strong, with the mother providing nourishment, protection, and guidance to her young one. Rhinoceros calves stay with their mothers for an extended period, learning essential skills for survival, such as feeding techniques and defensive behaviors. Unique behaviors related to parental care include the mother's willingness to defend her calf fiercely, even against larger predators, and the calf's reliance on its mother for guidance and protection during its early stages of life. Understanding the social structure of rhinoceroses provides valuable insights into their behavior and survival strategies. Solitary rhinoceroses maintain their territories and avoid conflicts, while social species form groups with established hierarchies. The bond between mother and offspring highlights the importance of parental care in rhinoceros societies. By studying and conserving their social structures, we can better protect and ensure the well-being of these magnificent creatures in their natural habitats. Rhinoceroses communicate through a variety of vocalizations and sounds, each serving a specific purpose. They produce snorts, grunts, roars, and bellows, which can vary in pitch and intensity. These vocal signals serve as a means of communication between individuals, indicating their presence, dominance, or territorial boundaries. Rhinoceros vocalizations can also express emotions such as aggression, fear, or mating intentions. By understanding the meanings behind their vocal signals, we gain insights into their social interactions and behaviors. Rhinoceroses rely on body language to convey messages and establish dominance. They use various physical cues, such as head movements, ear positions, and tail gestures, to communicate their intentions and emotions. For example, an erect tail and raised head may signal alertness or aggression, while flattened ears and lowered heads can indicate submission or defensive postures. Additionally, visual communication cues, such as displays of size through charging or mock charging, can be used to establish dominance or deter potential threats. Rhinoceroses have developed remarkable defensive strategies to protect themselves from threats and potential predators. When faced with danger, they can exhibit aggressive behaviors, such as charging, snorting, or horn thrusting, to intimidate and deter adversaries. Their immense size and powerful horns serve as formidable defensive weapons. Rhinoceroses are known for their territoriality and will fiercely defend their territories against intruders, engaging in aggressive encounters if necessary. These defensive strategies ensure their safety and help maintain their dominance within their respective habitats. Rhinoceroses face significant threats that jeopardize their populations. The foremost threat is habitat loss due to human activities such as deforestation and urbanization. Destruction of their natural habitats disrupts their feeding and breeding patterns, pushing them towards the brink of extinction. Additionally, rhinoceroses are targeted by poachers for their valuable horns, which are in high demand in illegal wildlife trade markets. The impact of these threats has been devastating, leading to a sharp decline in rhinoceros populations worldwide. Numerous initiatives and organizations are dedicated to protecting rhinoceroses from the threats they face. Anti-poaching efforts play a crucial role in combating illegal hunting and trade. Rangers and wildlife conservation teams work tirelessly to patrol protected areas, employing various strategies and technologies to deter poachers and intercept illegal activities. Advanced tools such as drones, thermal imaging cameras, and DNA tracking systems are utilized to enhance surveillance and apprehend offenders. These conservation efforts have yielded positive outcomes, with successful arrests of poachers and the recovery of confiscated rhinoceros horns. Engaging local communities is vital for effective rhinoceros conservation. Involving residents living near rhinoceros habitats helps foster a sense of ownership and responsibility toward protecting these magnificent creatures. Community-based initiatives focus on providing alternative livelihoods, education, and sustainable development opportunities to reduce the dependency on illegal activities. Educational programs and awareness campaigns raise public consciousness about the importance of rhinoceros conservation and the devastating consequences of poaching. Individuals can contribute by supporting conservation organizations, advocating for stricter wildlife protection laws, and participating in responsible tourism practices that benefit local communities and contribute to conservation efforts. In summary, understanding rhinoceros behavior is crucial for appreciating the remarkable nature of these magnificent creatures. From their diverse species and feeding habits to their social structures and communication, rhinoceroses display fascinating behaviors that contribute to their survival and ecosystem balance. However, their conservation is of utmost importance due to the threats they face, such as habitat loss and poaching. By supporting anti-poaching efforts, engaging local communities, and raising awareness, we can work together to ensure a future where rhinoceroses thrive in their natural habitats. Join us in protecting these incredible animals and preserving the beauty of our planet for generations to come.